Apple's TV always had a channels feature, letting you subscribe and watch other services right in the app. And now it's bringing to its users a new anime destination. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Crunchyroll, the popular anime streaming service, has just launched as a new channel in the Apple TV app. The platform said in the press release, Crunchyroll, the global brand fueling anime fandom worldwide, is bringing the world's largest dedicated anime library to users on the Apple TV app in the US, Canada, the UK, and Australia. Starting today, anime fans can begin subscribing to Crunchyroll directly through the Apple TV app. This makes it easy to watch anime wherever they prefer on Apple devices, smart TVs, streaming devices, and gaming consoles. Whether you're into anime or not, Crunchyroll's launch is significant because it's the first noteworthy new channel added to the TV app in a long time. Apple first rolled out its channels feature back in 2019, but after a decent start, the last few years have brought minimal support for the feature from any big streaming services. Once a service is available as a channel, you can subscribe right in the TV app with your Apple credentials. You don't need to download a separate streaming app on any devices. All content you watch plays in Apple TV app. You get the default Apple-designed video player on all platforms. Shows can be downloaded offline, content is ad-free, and you can share access via family sharing. Overall, Channels is a fantastic experience for users, but many streaming services have been reluctant to support it because, obviously, they want to control the relationship with subscribers and video experience. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.